Well, we're going to continue. Activity number 3 says, match the words involved in the text to their synonyms, right? Remember that if you need to stop the video in order to remember what the text was about, or you need to check some kind of information, go ahead, do it. You can stop the video and read the text again, right? If you need it. Well, we're going to continue. Here we have vocabulary, and we're going to match those words with the synonym, right? Here we have ground, mystifies. Mystifies is a verb. It means to confuse someone, right? Then we have shaking, sheltering, and freelance. Freelance is someone who works for different organizations rather than working all the time for a single organization, right? We have boulder, a very large rock, dedicated precautions, block. So we're going to check rock, the synonym of rock. Heather. What is your answer? Good, Heather. Boulder. Next, earth, the synonym. Please, Xiomara. Good, Xiomara. Ground. Devoted. Give me your answer. Rodrigo. Good, Rodrigo. Dedicated. Next, we have puzzles. Give me your answer, Brenda. Puzzles. Mystifies, right? We said that mystify is to confuse someone. Give me your answer for the next exercise, please. Angela. Moving up and down. Shaking, good. Not employed by others. Your answer, please. Paula. Freelance, good. Prevent you from seeing. Your answer, Matthias. Prevent you from seeing. Block, very good. Hiding. Your answer, please, Leonardo. Sheltering, and the last one, of course, safety measures, precautions. Good. Remember that you have to check your answers with green pen or green color, right? Check your answers. In the next activity, we have parts of speech. So, parts of speech means what is the function of each word in the sentence, in the text, in the paragraph, right? Boulder. Boulder is, what do you think? Mateo. Noun. Good, Mateo. Ground. Part of a speech of ground. George. Good. Noun. Very good, George. Dedicated. Part of a speech. Paula. Good, Paula. Adjective. Mystifies. Part of speech. Gabriel. Verb. Very good. Shaking, part of speech. Romina. Verb, very good, Romina. Freelance, Rodrigo. Adjective, very good, Rodrigo. Block, Xiomara. Verb, very good. Shouldering, part of speech, Flavio. Verb, good. And precautions, part of speech, Joaquin. Noun, very good, Joaquin. Remember that you have to check your answers with green pen or green color. Check them, please. Next activity. Use words from the Check These Words box in the correct form to complete the sentences. Here we have a lot of vocabulary. Most of this vocabulary is easy, right? Because you have seen them while you were preparing your speech. You've seen them maybe the previous years, and also when you were reading the Volcano Chasers reading today. Okay, we're going to complete the blanks with the words we have here. Number 1. Give me your answer and read the sentence, Marcelo. Read, please. The 3,300 feet Chilean Chichen. Good, Marcelo. Volcano erupted last Thursday for the first time after thousands of years of causing earth tremors. Next, number 2. Give me your answer, Rodrigo. Read the sentence, please. Good, Rodrigo. The deafening roar scared people who hurried to evacuate the area. Next, your answer, Camila. Good, Camila. The dormant volcano awoke after 9,000 years of silence. 4. Your answer, Yamile. Good, Yamile. Poisonous gas caused breathing problems for residents. Number 5. Your answer, Romina. Good, Romina. Flaming hot lava started flowing down the volcano. The last one, your answer, Joaquin. Good, Joaquin. Clouds of steam and ash blocked the view for miles, making it difficult to see. Good, very good. Please check your answers. This revision about grammar we're going to do next week, not this week, right? I'm going to explain to you. We're going to remember some grammar rules and then we're going to do the activity. Next activity we have speaking and writing. So we're going to do some writing. Here says, think. Imagine you are Martin Ritz and you are close to an erupting volcano. What has happened? What can you hear and see? How do you feel? In 3 minutes, write a few sentences on the topic. Read them to the class or your partner. You are going to read it for yourself. Start like this. The volcano has just erupted. I can hear. Please, you have to be creative. Give emotion to your text while you are writing with the adjectives you use and while you are reading with your intonation, right? Remember that you have just 3 minutes to do it. You are going to stop the video, write your text, and read it. You have to do this piece of homework in your notebook. Write volcano chasers writing, and then write your text. It is a small text, a text of 45 words, no more than 45, just 45 words. I'm going to give you an example. After you write your text, you are going to read it. Example says, the volcano has just erupted. I can hear the deafening roar of the volcano. I can see the red-hot lava flowing, and I can feel the heat burning my face, even though my gas mask. The ground beneath my feet is shaking. I feel scared. Right? Please give emotion to your text. Well, this is all for this week. I have been checking your writings, live worksheets, and videos. I must tell that I liked your creativity. You did a good job. Claps for you guys. Good. Remember that our English exam is on Tuesday, 7th April, from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., just 1 hour. What should you study for your exam? Well, you have to study your student's book vocabulary from page 5 to page 9, and also your live worksheets vocabulary. Okay, well, that's all. Take care. Bye-bye.